Suddenly, everybody in the crypto market is talking about DOT. It isn't just a coincidence. On October 12th, we had an amazing announcement that made DOT's price rise over 24% in just 24 hours. So the eyes of the market turned to its ecosystem right now. Not by chance, investors are excited about the uptrend in this fourth quarter. But why exactly is DOT going up? Are there solid reasons to believe in its potential? What are the price predictions for the coming days? Well, if you're looking for the answer to these questions, you've come to the right place. We'll talk about everything you need to know about DOT's price. But first, remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications to be up to date about every new opportunity to make money with cryptos. And if you want the best market conditions to invest, including lower fees, then you should definitely check our links in description. Now let's focus on DOT, parachains, and profitable opportunities. Polkadot is a network designed to join the dots with all other networks. It's commonly referred to as a multi-chain network because it can join networks together, unlike networks like Bitcoin, which operates on its own. Its ultimate aim is to act as a framework for all blockchains, a bit like how HTML allows sites, browsers, and servers to interact with each other. The idea is to take care of messy and costly cryptocurrency mining processes and enable developers to focus on creating decentralized applications and smart contract functionality. But why is it important? Developers building innovative, decentralized systems currently have to engineer these systems from the ground up. This also means that time, talent, and resources are diverted into building competing networks, rather than creating a standard everyone builds off. That's why Polkadot aims to create a way for developers to build value on top of all blockchains, rather than just one. So innovation and technology development would be faster and much more scalable. Actually, Polkadot solves the two main issues blockchain-based systems most need to solve: scalability, the number of transactions per second the network can handle, and governance, how the community manages protocol upgrades and changes. That's why many people think that DOT could become an Ethereum killer because it solves primary problems found on Ethereum's network. But on the contrary, Polkadot isn't trying to compete against Ethereum and its popular Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM. EVM is the software inside Ethereum's blockchain that allows it to execute smart contract bytecode. Gavin Wood, Polkadot's founder, is developing a system of interconnected parachains that will assist the implementation of Ethereum and other crypto smart contracts, spurring innovation and efficiency in developing decentralized applications and services. So it isn't competition, but interoperability, something that makes DOT stand out from other cryptocurrencies. Alright, now let's focus on parachains, and this word is really important when we talk about the potential of DOT. Some analysts say that DOT can be the next altcoin to hit a new all-time high, and the parachains are the main reason for this. Parachains are custom project-specific blockchains that are integrated within the Polkadot and Kusama networks. Parachains can be customized for any number of use cases and fit into the main blockchain called the Relay chain, considered to be the heart of the Polkadot and Kusama networks. Among other things, this design structure may allow parachain users to perform transactions faster and at lower costs. It also enables parachain developers to create blockchains that don't disclose user data to the public network or that don't need to process a large number of transactions. In order to become a parachain on Polkadot and Kusama, projects have to participate in a parachain auction, and these auctions excite the DOT's community. They are of the biggest drivers of momentum for the Polkadot ecosystem because it's where projects compete for community votes to obtain one of the limited slots available to launch on the network. As part of the parachain crowd loan process, users vote for projects by locking up DOT tokens for a designated term as a way to bootstrap funding for projects that are chosen to fill one of the limited slots. By now, we can say that an entire ecosystem of projects are competing for parachain slots. There are a large number of projects interested in obtaining a parachain slot and launching on the network. The Polkadot ecosystem has seen extensive growth in terms of protocols and supporting infrastructure over the past year. With the Polkadot parachain auctions expected, it's likely that the ecosystem will continue to expand and welcome new projects. And at this point, you may have already noticed that these auctions are the main reason behind DOT's price currently increasing. So let's see how it affects your investments, especially if you're a DOT holder. The hype pattern emerged in DOT's chart price as it rallied by almost 30% this past week to reach a 5-month high at around $44. At the core of its weekly uptrend was a price boom across the crypto market, as well as the news of Polkadot's first parachain auctions going live on November 11th. The first series of auctions will begin on November 11th and run until December 9th. Polkadot founders Gavin Wood and Robert Habermeyer confirmed that Polkadot now holds the technical capabilities to implement parachains, auctions, and crowd loans for the first time. DOT rallied by more than 24% just after the parachain auction announcement. DOT chart technical suggests it may rally to a new record high near $75 if DOT can manage to close above its $41 between $43 range decisively. Parachains auctions increase the market expectation over DOT, as Peter Morick, head of public affairs at Parity Technologies, also known as the team behind Polkadot, told Cointelegraph. This is the moment everyone has been waiting for since the Polkadot paper was introduced over 5 years ago. So to many crypto analysts, it would be no surprise if DOT reaches its all-time high in the next few days. Guys, always remember that none of this should be taken as an investment advice. Our job here is to bring you information about the crypto market to improve your own research, not give you the final answer about which coin you should buy. That being said, I'd like to know your thoughts about DOT's potential and future. How do you think these parachains auctions are going to affect DOT's price? Are you a DOT holder? Do you think DOT is a good alternative to DeFi development? Tell me all your thoughts in the comments down below. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any new video. And if you enjoyed this one, hit the like button to help us out. If you're looking for the best market to get started in crypto, check our gifts and bonuses in description. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll be waiting for you in our next video.